This is a video on how to speed up your computer. This is for basics. Alright, so we start up CCleaner, which is probably going to beep at me that it's already started. Hey look, CCleaner. We run CCleaner. Then you'll get a window like this. You must close Firefox. Close Firefox. Okay. And it's going to sit here and it's going to scan through all this lovely junk on my computer, and you're going to get a window like this. Look at that. 2.7 gigs. Alright, it's 2,775 megabytes. 2.7 gigs of stuff that it can clean. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Holy crapola. So, that can give you more space. Yay! Alright. And also, scan the registry for issues. And fix the registry. Yay. This will speed up my computer. Do I want to touch that? No, because there's stuff in there that I put in there. Most people aren't going to have stuff in there. Average user won't. Cleaning that up will only make things run faster. Alright. Next thing I want to go over is Tweak UI. So if we go to Power Toys for Windows XP, you can also get one for Vista, I do believe. And we can go under Explorer. Yay, Explorer! Ooh, yay! And we can go in here and uncheck things like shadows on things. Where are they? There should be a shadow thing. Or is it on a desktop? No. Where is it? Oh, it's general. Yeah, it's under general. Okay, you have window animation. You can remove that. You can remove menu fading, menu animation, list box. These are all things that can run, and what they do is something like this. If I were to start my computer, full screen, small screen, transitions are lovely. That's all that is. You can remove stuff like that. You don't need it all there. Beep on errors is always good because then you know there's something wrong. Yay. Alright. Going through this will help speed up your computer slightly. I've made Windows XP run on something it really shouldn't. Go to something megs of RAM. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to go through Hijack This. Hijack This is a very nice program. You do a system scan and save a log, and then you save the log file. And la 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 la. The best way to do this is to take this and save it in a folder. Save it with the name. It's right there. If you can, probably can't because it has slashes. So we paste it, and look, it doesn't work. So I just save it as the date and the time if you're planning on doing another scan. That'll keep a text file, so when you do mess up, which is probably inevitable, you'll be able to go and fix it. Google everything in here. You'll be able to figure out what you want to remove, what you don't. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. You have browser helper objects, that's what SPHO is. All these things that run, that's when your computer starts. The programs that run, these are all services that are set up to run when your computer starts. You have desktop components, extra buttons, all kinds of lovely things you can get rid of to help speed up your computer. Alright, next step. If we want to speed up our computer, we also need to set up the paging file properly. Doing this can be a pain in the butt. You just right click on this, go to properties, then go to advanced, then go to performance, go to settings, go to advanced, go to change your virtual memory. Now, depending on how you have your computer set up, will depend on how you want to do this. I always suggest for XP, you want 2046 to 4092. That's 2 gigs to 4 gigs. Yay. For Vista, double that. I said double that. Yes. Now, what this is this is a paging file. So when you run out of RAM, which you will, it will overload all that excess stuff onto your hard drive. Why does it do this? So that your computer doesn't slow down. It'll slow down some, but most of the people don't even notice it. This is one way you can speed up a computer that's really slow, that has very little RAM, and you don't have money to spend on RAM. You can increase your paging file size. Normally that works. It doesn't work all the time. It's not the same as RAM. It's much slower because it's right in your hard drive instead of RAM, and RAM is really, really, really fast like I'm talking right now. Okay? That's what RAM is. It's fast. Hard drive, slow, comparatively. Those three things will help speed up your computer. Another thing that will help speed up your computer, having less icons on your desktop. The less icons you have on your desktop, the faster it's going to go. Why? It takes up less space. Now, with that being said, if you have your computer set up another way, and doing this is by preference only and can screw you over unbelievably, you can set up your C drive so that it's really small and basically can only handle Windows and a few programs. If you do this, 40 gigs is the smallest I would suggest going at this point in time for Windows XP. For Vista, it's probably more like 60 to 80. Number of programs you install, everything installs a little bit on a C drive. Everything writes a little bit to C drive. So because of this, you're going to run out of room very quickly. All of your temp files are on C drive. There's a way to change that under Tweak UI, but that's another time. That's not really speeding up stuff, that's saving space. So this is my tutorial on how to speed things up. Set up a separate partition, set it up so that C drive is smaller than everything else, set it up so that it has higher seek times. This is what it does. If you do all of those things that I just listed, you will see a significant increase in the speed of your computer.